How to change voicemail greetings in Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with a Google account. Once logged in, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access settings. In the settings menu, click on the voicemail section. Here you will see the option to manage your voicemail greeting. To change your greeting, click Record New Greeting. You can use your computer or mobile device microphone to record a new message. After recording, click Save to set it as your active voicemail greeting. You can also play back the greeting to ensure it sounds correct. If you want, you can create multiple greetings and switch between them whenever needed. Now your new voicemail greeting is active and callers will hear it when you are unavailable. Now you know how to change your voicemail greeting in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.